हाँ हेलो स्टूडेंट्स। आज हमने कुछ डिफरेंशिएशन के क्वेश्चंस को लिया है जो कि जेई मेन के हैं और हम इनको सॉल्व करते हैं और देखते हैं कि इनका आंसर क्या होने वाला है। ठीक। तो आप पहला क्वेश्चन देखिए। एफ एक्स दिया हुआ है इन द फॉर्म ऑफ डिटर्मिनेंट्स। ओके, वी हैव टू सॉल्व इट एंड वी हैव टू फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ 1/5 एफ डैश 0 ओके इज इक्वल टू व्हाट इज द वैल्यू ऑफ दिस। ओके, वी हैव टू फाइंड दैट 1/5 एफ डैश 0। ओके, सो अगर आप ऐसा करें कि पहले आप इसका एफ निकालें, एफ एक्स निकालें, इसको सॉल्व करें, वो बहुत डिफिकल्ट होने वाला है। ओके, पहले आपको सॉल्व करेंगे और फिर करें, वैल्यू पुट करेंगे एफ डैश जीरो, बहुत लेंदी हो जाएगा। आप क्या करना है, यहाँ पर एफ डैश एक्स निकालना पहले। तो एफ डैश एक्स क्या होगा? एफ डैश एक्स आपका होगा फर्स्ट रो का डिफरेंशिएशन, सेकेंड एंड थर्ड रो एज इट इज, एंड देन सेकेंड रो का डिफरेंशिएशन प्लस third row का differentiation. Okay, so I am doing differentiation. Okay, so you can put the, let's first differentiate. Okay, so this is going to be what differentiation of first. So 4 to the 8 cos cube x and sin x with minus sign, and it is going to be 8 sin x into cos x, and this is going to be 2 sin 2x and cos 2x multiply by 2, and these two row is going to be as it is. Okay, so these two row is going to be as it is. Okay, as it is, and then write the plus here, and then write the first row and third row as it is, and second row differentiate it, and you will get what? You will get 8 cos cube x minus sin x, 8 sin x cube sin cube x and cos x, and 2 sin 2x and cos 2x and then 2x. Okay, so what you can do, so if this question is a j, okay, j main, so what you have to do, you have not to start differentiating and all these things and doing this much calculation, it's going to be lengthy. So what you can do, in place of x directly find the zero. Okay, put the zero, not find, put zero here and differentiate, and if you differentiate it and put x equal to 0, so this is going to be 0, 0 and 0, so this term is going to be 0, this term is also going to be the sin x is going to be 0, and it is 0. So if all the elements of one row or one column is 0, then it does not matter that what is here, here and here. Okay, if you solve it, if you solve this determinants, it's going to be 0, this is going to be 0 plus, now let's put uh, 0 here also, because in the first row we have to put the value also. Okay, so 0 cos 0 is 1, that is 2, and 2 0 and 3 and this, and differentiate the second row. So 8 cos cube x and sin x, so sin is coming here also, sin is coming here also, and sin is coming here also. So when you differentiate the second row, you will get sin, and sin 0 is going to be 0 and 0. So it does not matter that what is coming here. If you find the determinants of this, that is going to be 0. Similarly, plus and differentiate the third row, so 4 cos cube x minus sin x and all constant also, and similar thing here also, sin is here, so sin and cos both come and sin cos both come, and x is equal to 0. So at the end, this is going to be 0, third row is going to be 0, and first and second row as it is, just put 0 here in the questions, and in the questions, and write the element as it is here. Okay, write the element as it is. Okay, and if you solve all these things, you will get 0, 0 plus 0 plus 0 is going to be 0, so final answer is 0. Okay, so f dash 0 is 0, 1 by 5 f dash 0 is going to be 0. Okay, so final answer is 0. I think it is very clear to you, and but please keep in mind that you have not to solve it. Okay, if you start solving the determinants and then put x is equal to 0, it's really going to be very lengthy. You have to follow this approach. Okay, I think it is clear to you. Okay, Let's take one other problem, and that problem is going to be really fantastic. So let's try to understand some concept with the help of this problem. And problem is very very simple, looking very simple, but little bit you have to put some effort in this problem. And there's a particular concept that how to solve this kind of problem. Fx is equal to x power 5 plus 2 e to the power x power 4 x by 4. For all x belongs to real number, consider a function gx such that g of fx is equal to x. For all x belongs to real number, then the value of 8 times of g dash 2. Okay, we have to find this. Now if you find the f dash x, that's going to be what? That's going to be f dash x is equal to 5x power 4 plus 2e x by 4 into 1 by 4. Okay, so all these things are positive, so overall this is going to be greater than 0. It means this is the increasing function, strictly increasing function. Okay, strictly increasing function, so it means if this function is strictly increasing, so this is 1 1 and on 2, and if the function is 1 1 on 2, it means we can find the inverse of that function. We can find the inverse of that function. Okay, we can find the inverse of this function. It is also given that g of fx is equal to x. Okay, so if we can find the inverse of fx, which means what is this? Basically this is the condition that f is the inverse of g and g is the inverse of f. Okay, so let's differentiate it. G dash fx into f dash x equal to 1. Okay, it's a simple differentiation I have done here. Okay, but what is the g dash x? We don't know what is the gx. We don't know anything else. Okay, so the same thing you can write like this also. F of g x is equal to x. And why you can write? Because this is the condition is satisfied when g and f both are inverse of each other, then this is satisfied. Okay, so g of fx or f of gx is going to be the same in this case. Okay, so we'll have to differentiate it, and f dash gx g dash x equal to 1. Okay, so what we have to do here? Do you think that we can solve it? So we can solve this. So can we solve this g dash fx? Okay, so fx should be 2, and I think this is going to be useful. Okay, this is going to be useful. There is no need of solving this. Okay, no need of this. This is, I think, sufficient for us. So what is this g dash? Don't worry, we can do it. So what we have to do? We have to do here g dash fx, and what is this? G dash 2. So we have to basically find the value of 8 times of g dash 2. This is what we have to find. So first we have to find g dash 2, and now what is here? G dash fx into f dash x equal to 1. And what should be the value of fx? According to this, fx should be 2. Okay, so fx is equal to 2 g dash 2. So g dash fx is equal to 2. Okay, fx is equal to 2, and what is the fx? Fx is the x to the power 5 plus 2 and all these. Okay, let's write that here, and you will get x power 5 plus 2 e to the power x by 4 equal to 2. Now here you have not to solve it. Okay, don't start solving like this, otherwise it's going to be lengthy. Just make a hit and trial, and if you put x is equal to 0, it's a 0, e power 0 is 1, and it is going to be 2. So x is equal to 0 is the solution of this. Okay, x is equal to 0 is the solution of this. So it means x is equal to, you have to take the 0. So here, now in the next part, this is going to be g dash, put x is equal to 0, so fx is going to be 2. So 2 into f dash 0 equal to 1. Okay, so g dash 2 equal to 1 by f dash 0. Okay, and f dash 0 is what? How to find f dash 0? Let's find the put x is equal to 0 here, and let I'm doing here. Okay, f dash 0 is what? That is going to be 0 plus 2 by 4 into e power 0, and this is 1 by 2. So basically this is going to be 2. Okay, and we have to multiply by 8 also. Okay, this 8 times of g dash 2. Okay, so this is going to be 8 times of g dash 2, which means 8 multiplied by 2, that is 16. So 16 is the answer of this question. Okay, I think it is clear to you, and if you have any doubt, any confusion, you can ask me. Sometime f of g is given, sometime g of fx is given. So according to the question we have to approach. Okay, and we have to solve, and these questions are very easy, not so much difficult. Okay, so you cannot say that there are any amazing or any completely unique problem. These are not unique, and these are very general problems, and this type of problem have been coming in the examination, so you have not to worry about these questions. Okay, this question always be in your mind. Sometimes they ask some difficult questions, some questions are out of the box, you have to think more, you have to discuss more, and then you can solve those kind of questions. But mainly in JEE it's not like that. Always they ask any different or bizarre kind of question. They are asking some questions which are really very easy, and they completely belong to the pyqs. Okay, and if you are completely confident and comfortable with pyqs, be sure that you are going to perform better in the exam. Okay, that's the very important thing. Let's start the question. आप देखते हैं कि यहाँ पर साइन एक्स और कॉस वाई है, और एफ टू एक्स प्लस टू वाई माइनस एफ ऑफ टू एक्स माइनस टू वाई एंड ऑल दीज थिंग्स आर गिवन. ओके, अपन लोग क्या करते हैं, अपन लोग एफ टू एक्स प्लस टू आई, एफ टू एक्स प्लस टू आई, इसको क्या करते हैं, कॉमन लेते हैं. इधर एफ टू एक्स माइनस टू आई, एफ टू एक्स माइनस टू आई दिख रहा है ना, इसको भी कॉमन लेते हैं. सो लेट्स स्टार्ट इट. सो दिस इज एफ टू एक्स plus 2i, and you can take the sin x cos y minus cos x and f 2x minus 2i, and take the common, so you will get cos x sin y plus sin x cos y. ओके, ये क्वेश्चन थोड़ा सा अलग टाइप का है, ठीक ना. इस क्वेश्चन में थोड़ा सा अलग टाइप का, अगर आप इसको पूरा सॉल्व करने लग जाएंगे या इसको कुछ और नए तरीके से सॉल्व करेंगे, हो सकता है आप फंस जाएं और गलत हो जाए और आंसर ना निकले. तो यही अप्रोच इसके लिए सबसे सही अप्रोच है, ठीक ना. तो इस अप्रोच को बहुत गहराई से समझना है, और थोड़ा सा भी आपको कोई परेशानी हो आप पूछ सकते हैं, ठीक. इसका यही एक अप्रोच है जो काफी शॉर्टकट मुझे लगा. बाकी अप्रोच तो इसके लेंथी हो सकते हैं और टाइम कंज्यूमिंग हो सकते हैं. ओके, तो शुरू करते हैं अपन लोग. एफ टू एक्स प्लस टू आई, एंड ये क्या है, ये है आपका साइन एक्स माइनस वाई. ओके, आई थिंक इट इज क्लियर टू यू. साइन एक्स माइनस वाई, एंड नेक्स्ट पार्ट इज गोइंग टू बी एफ टू एक्स माइनस टू आई इंटू साइन x plus y. Okay, this is a sin x plus y. Okay, sin a cos b plus cos a sin b, all this. Now these things you can write like this also, you can write like this also, and you will observe a symmetry. Which type of symmetry? Let's talk about that. F 2x plus 2y divided by sin x plus y equal to f 2x minus 2y divided by sin x minus y. Okay, so this is what you have, and what is given next. So f dash 0 is equal to 1 by 2 is given. Okay, in the question, f dash 0 is equal to 1 by 2 is given. We have to find the value of f double dash. Okay, so first we have to find the function and then put all these and get the answer. Okay, so first we have to focus on finding the function. So one thing I can suggest you that you can thing from your side, and that is, let's consider that 2x plus 2y is equal to, let's suppose I am giving the name of suppose p, okay? So x plus y is equal to p by 2. So this is going to be f of p is equal to sine p by 2. Similarly, I can consider 2x minus 2y is equal to q, okay? Let's consider 2x minus 2y is equal to q. So this is going to be f q divided by sine q by 2. And if you observe these two are looking completely symmetric, okay? Completely symmetric. So what you can say? Let's say I'm saying this is equal to k, and k is any constant number. So with the help of these two, you can observe one thing, and that is what? That is going to be, let's see, you can take this one or this one, it's your choice. So from here you can say that f p is equal to k times of sine p by 2, okay? Or if you want, you can write like this also, fx is equal to k times of sine x by 2, okay? Now what is this k? What is this k? K is constant, but we don't know what is that k, and for that condition is given, okay? And we can use that condition, and we can find the value of k. It is given that f dash 0 is equal to 1 by 2. F dash 0 is equal to 1 by 2. Let's use it, okay? So now you can apply this. F dash 0 is equal to k cos x by 2 and 1 by 2, that is 2, and that is 1 by 2, okay? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is cancelled, and f dash 0, okay? So f dash and cos 0 is what? Cos 0 is, so cos 0 is 1. So k is equal to basically 1 यार, okay? K is equal to 1, ठीक ना? आसान सा ही हो जाएगा, आसानी से, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है. एफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू साइन एक्स बाई 2. उसमें एफ डबल डैश दिया है, ठीक ना? तो पहले अपन लोग फाइंड आउट करते हैं एफ डैश. एफ डैश क्या हो जाएगा अपन का हो जाएगा कॉस एक्स बाई 2 एंड 1 बाई 2. फाइंड द डबल डैश, और डबल डैश का आपको हो जाएगा -1/4 साइन एक्स बाई 2, ओके? और इसमें आपको करना क्या है? इसमें आपको एक्स की जगह पर वैल्यू रखनी है 5 पाई बाई 3, 24 टाइम्स ऑफ 5 पाई बाई 3, ओके? सो इसको अपन लोग ध्यान रखते हैं. और 24 f 5 पाई बाई 3, इसकी वैल्यू अपन को बतानी है. तो अपन को यहाँ पर क्या रखना पड़ेगा? 5 पाई बाई 3. और चलो करते हैं, फिर क्या दिक्कत है? -24 डिवाइड बाई 4 साइन 5 पाई बाई 3 एंड डिवाइड बाई 2 मीन्स पाई बाई 6. और ये क्या है आपका? ये आपका हो गया, ये आपका हो गया पाई माइनस पाई बाई 6, that is 5 पाई बाई 6. So sin pi minus theta is what? Sin theta. So basically this is what? This is the sin pi by 6, and sin pi by 6 means 1 by 2, 1 by 2, and this 1 by 4, 1 by 8, and this is going to be -24 divided by 8, and that is -3. So what is the answer? -3, okay? So इस तरीके से हमने इतने सारे क्वेश्चंस डिस्कस किए हैं, और ये क्वेश्चंस कैलकुलस के हैं, इनमें फंक्शन भी होता है, कभी कभी डिटर्मिनेंट्स भी होते हैं. और ये जो क्वेश्चन जो हमने डिस्कस किए हैं, ये सब जेई मेंस के थे, ओके? तो इस टाइप से हम, ये हमारी जो सीरीज है, ये जो एपिसोड हमारे जो चल रहे हैं, चलते रहेंगे. इसमें हम पीवाईक्यू डिस्कस करते रहेंगे, और जो कुछ ऐसे क्वेश्चन है जिन्हें देख के हमें लगता है कि नहीं डिस्कस करना चाहिए, हम जरूर करेंगे, और आगे भी ऐसे करते रहेंगे. आपको उनमें कोई डाउट, कोई क्वेश्चन हो तो आप पूछ सकते हैं, ओके?